Hello, my name is Bjoern Brembs. I'm a neurobiologist and I work at the Free University of Berlin in Germany. Today I'm going to show you how we prepare fruit flies Drosophila to learn colors or patterns or their own behavior or any combination of the three. Fruit flies may be able to learn, but they're probably not as smart as other animals, so we need to be really nice to them and treat them well. Two of the most important factors considering fruit fly learning is their age and their diet. Now I'll show you our special fly breeding regime. So in order to stage the flies, we have to put new flies on new food every single day. So those are here now 10 days of flies, with the youngest flies that are just being deposited as eggs in the first vial, and the oldest just newly hatched flies in the last vial. The first thing you do is that you remove all the flies that have hatched from the vials. In this way, there are no more flies in this set of vials, and tomorrow every new fly that you have in there will be exactly between 0 and 24 hours old. So this is